Hello everyone, welcome to Bio Ocean, and this is me Sheetal Maria with you. And we are here with our new video explaining about one of the major platforms where you can join and do many online courses which will be very helpful and very productive for your career. Let's move on to the video. Before that, if any one of you are new to my channel, please go and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications whenever I upload a video. And whenever we talk about interviews, as we all know, and these interviews has a set of marks which are provided. Among them, a few are provided for your curriculum, like what is your marks in your graduation and post graduation, and a few set is provided to your extracurricular activities, and other few are provided to your experience and all those stuffs. And here, this online course provided by NPTEL platform will help you to secure some such points while in interview. Whenever you enroll in an online course, you are able to study the full course and attend an exam, and you can get a certificate if you pass, otherwise if you clear the examination. And here we are going to discuss about such a few courses and the structure of these NPTEL courses for your career purposes. And enrolling in such an online course will help you to attain a few more points in an interview so that you can attain your career a little bit more. Okay, so now let's get into the video. And then let us discuss about which are the streams in which NPTEL provides online courses. Mainly they provide in the areas of biology, engineering, chemical sciences, physics, personality development, and there are so many more also. But as we are dealing with biology, there are a lot of courses like proteomics, genomics, wildlife conservation, like drug discovery. There are so many courses related to the biology stream, and majority of them are for postgrad. Them otherwise there are so many which are also available for the graduate students too. And mainly this NPTEL platform provides three types of courses. The first one is the course duration with 4 weeks. Second one is the duration of 8 weeks. And third online courses are with the duration of 12 weeks. And in each week, they will be providing a set of lectures. And following the last lecture of a week, there will be an assignment that has to be submitted before the due date. And we have to answer these assignments if we are enrolled in this specified online course, and we have to complete our exams and we have to get our certificates. For that, you have to complete the assignments. It is not compulsory to listen their videos and all those stuffs, but it is necessary to answer the assignments and to complete the number of assignments specified by them before the due date. Okay. And while saying about the course, all these courses in the NPTEL platform are conducted by IIT professionals. And if you are enrolled in a 4-week course, you have to complete a minimum of 3 assignments before the due date. And if you are enrolled in an 8-week course, you have to complete 6 assignments, minimum 6 assignments before the due date. If you have done more, the best of the assignments that you have provided will be taken for certification. Okay, and if you are enrolled in a 12-week course, you have to complete minimum of 8 assignments before the due date. You can do more assignments, and if you have done more than the prescribed number, the best of your assignments with more marks will be taken for your certification. And the next question arises, how we can enroll to these courses. First of all, we have to visit the NPTEL official website, and they will be provided with a long list of online courses that are conducted for different streams of students, and you have to pick your own stream. If you are from biology, they will be provided a list of courses that are applicable for biology students, and then you have to select the course of your interest, which course you want to enroll in it. You have to select it, and then confirmation of this selection of enrollment can be done after when you complete your personal information, like what is your name, what's your email ID, from where do you belong, what are you now, are you a student or a teacher or any other member, like that. And like you have to also complete like information regarding from where you came to know about this NPTEL courses, like that. all the personal informations, general informations you have to fill up, and then confirmation of your enrollment can be done. Okay. And normally there are two parts of this course. First part, otherwise the first session of this course starts whenever our academic year starts. That is from June to September. One session of these courses are going on. And if you are interested, you can go with this session. Otherwise, you are getting another chance in the same year. That is from January to March, otherwise April. There will be providing a second series of these courses, like second series of different courses. Every session, they will be having different courses. From June to September of a month of a year, they will be having a separate list of courses, and from January to April, they will be having separate set of courses. You can either join in January, otherwise in June. It depends on your interest. Normally they bring up new online courses in every session, but still there are a few courses which are highly requested ones and highly important ones, so they do these courses again in some of the sessions too. Proteomics and genomics is a highly requested one, so they do this online courses frequently. It was done in 2019 also, and it was done in 2018 too. Like that, some courses are always repeating, but majority of them are new ones in every year. Talking about the fee structure, if you only want to attend the online course and don't want to write the examination, no fees is required. You just can freely access the course. But if you want to write the exam and to attain a certificate, you have to pay one-time payment of 1,000 rupees for one examination. You can write one or more examination, and you can enroll for more courses, one or more courses. Okay, so for one exam, if you want to write the exam and want to attain the certificate, you have to pay a rupees of 1,000. And if you are a BPL candidate, if you belong to below poverty line, you will be refunded with the amount of 500 per examination. That is, if you are paying 1,000 rupees for an exam, and if you are a below poverty line student, you will be refunded with rupees 500. And if you write 2 exams, you have to pay 2,000 rupees, and you will be refunded 1,000 rupees if you belong to below poverty line. And likewise, the fee structure goes on. While talking about the cutoff limit of exams, if a candidate is attending an exam, that candidates need to have 40% of marks to qualify that exam. And out of this 40%, 25% of the marks come from the assignment that we already submitted, and the left 15% is only taken. Only 15% is taken from the exam that you have written. Okay, so 25% comes from the assignment, and 15 to 18% from your examination. So it is highly easy to qualify for anyone if you attend these courses. And the certificates which we are awarded if we pass the exam belong to certain categories. Like if we are less than 40%, we aren't able to qualify the exam, we will not be provided with a certificate. And if we have 40 to 59% of mark, we have successfully completed, and we will get a normal certificate. While we have greater than 60% of mark, we will be awarded elite certificates. And if we have 75 to 89% of mark, elite plus silver certificate will be provided. And if we have greater than 90% certificates, an elite certificate with a gold medal will be awarded. Okay, that is the structure of certificate which we get if we qualify the exam. And it is highly easy to qualify anyone and can attain an elite certificate with no much struggles in studying. Okay, I recommend you all to attend these exams, attend these online courses. This will be highly beneficial for your uplift of your knowledge, as well as it is highly beneficial for your career. So please go and just go through the courses, and if you are interested, select one and join them. And I hope that this video was very beneficial for you. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and comment your suggestions. And you can comment down if you want to know more about this or any other topics. And if you have any other queries, please free to write on my email ID that I have provided. I will be happy to help you, and I will be back again with some interesting stuffs for you again. Thank you for watching. God bless. Thank you.